So my name is Carmine and I'm from Auto Lovers Window Tinting, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove tint. So step one, you're going to take a blade, kind of pull the tint off. Like that. Again on this side. So we like to let the tint overhang right here so that water doesn't get onto the door panel too much. And then we spray. It's great. Sometimes your blade might get dull and you might have to swap it out for a new one. I like to go over top of where I scraped already twice, just in case there's any extra glue left over that I may have missed. And we roll it up. Thing down here. Same steps down here, just scrape. That's done. Take the long blade, put it into the sides. That. Like that. And that's how you remove window tint.